Hey everyone, it's Adrian back with Redwater Dodge, the home of regularly Rams, regularly Proves, and regularly Used. Behind me here talking about used, we got our 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, guys. This one is loaded up with some great options. It has got the altitude package right up front and all around, so it's all blacked out. 360 camera, as it does have technology package, so front-facing camera, the 3.6 liter V6 under the hood, 20-inch alloys. We even have blacked out mirrors and blacked roof rails and trims, which also has a camera built in the mirrors for the 360 aerial view. Blind spot monitoring, nice easy step side. Inside, full leather seats, and they both have driver and passenger power seats with the heated options, and they are also vented. We have upgraded audio, the wood grain throughout the whole interior, the digital review mirror, and a panoramic sunroof, which leads into the back. We got the one seat folded down to show you the 60-40 split that they do have and offer. Tons of space and storage. The seat can go up and you can put them all down for a lot of extra storage for anything else. It does have privacy shades, of course. Plenty of plugins for the rear. Parking sensors down below. Power tailgate, which is obviously sensitive to touch too. If it's coming down on you, it will stop. As I mentioned, a lot of pass-through storage. Spare tire, jack and tools. Looks very nice. Tie down mounts here, so if you want to put down something, you can also set the adjustment because it's really low right now. But if you hold this button for a while, it will beep, 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 and it will adjust where you want it to go. And it's obviously, like I said, has that safety stop there. For the driver's seat, I'll show you, or back seat. They do recline, so you can see when the one is upright or the other one's tilted back. You have the recliner. Digital dash, the 10-inch display. This one's got auto stop start, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, all the safety tech package, including auto stop start and adaptive cruise, and tons of bells and whistles all around as well, guys. So for more information, just give us a quick call anytime, 780-942-3629.